Hi guys, this is Melanie. Today I am going to show you my one of my favorite dish is the crispy egg noodles that goes very well with the stir fry. It's also called bird nest. I like this a lot because it's crunchy and it's yummy with the sauce all over it. But this is the noodle that I use. It's called wonton noodle. It has some wheat flours and waters and very basic ingredients. But the brand name is New Kong Ki Noodles. Uh, this gotta be this one that I use because other kind I've tried the texture and the um, after you cry the crispiness is just different. This one it's a very fluffy and airy. I usually take this out and do not wash it. I just make it a little small bundle like this, or you can make like a big bundle and then you can share the amongst other. A hot wok, I'm using a medium high heat right now. I lost the footage when I throw that little piece in there. It was rising to the top. But when it's hot enough, you just put it in there. When you see that sizzling going on, that means the oil is hot enough. If it's not, it doesn't sizzle, then it's gonna be stale or hard. It's not fluffy. So flip it around for like a couple of times to get it cooked evenly. You don't have to cook this for too long. This was like a minute. When it gets to like brown, golden brown, the egg noodles are kind of already kind of yellow, but so watch out. You don't want it to be super dark. Like I said, it's like a minute or so, and it's not sizzling anymore. So take it out and drain the fat. Drain the oil out. Simple as that. It's very quick and easy and ready to go. You can munch this like a snack. It's very addictive. I'm very addicted to it. And set yourself up ready for the next step is the stir fry. Well, I usually do this with the seafood stir fry, mixed seafood and vegetables and meat and stuff like that, and put the sauce on it. It makes it taste so good. That probably gonna be next video. I thank you so much for watching this. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, for future Vietnamese, Asian home cook, gardening and more. Thanks for watching and bye bye.